Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to set up the customized widget on our store. So let us first let us go step by step how to set it up. Cool. Okay. So first we have to go to the custom widget and select the icon color which you want to set up. My store color is peach, so I like to set it up like a peach color. Okay, cool. The button color. These are the buttons which are color which whose colors are in this setting. I want to keep it dark peach. Set it up. I want to keep it like super rewards points. I want to keep it in the same way. And let us talk about gift cards in the next video. Save it. So if after saving it, the customized widget will not appear. Moreover, the customized widget will only appear on the accounts tab. So right now, as you can see, you are not able to see any customized widget here. There is a pop-up which was in the previous tutorial. So you are not able to see any customized widget. For that, we have to go to, firstly, we have to go to this read guide. Okay. Go to the rewards custom widget and let us see what theme we are on. So we have basically made all the tutorials based on the theme which you are on. Right. Currently we support 11 themes and we also support some custom themes also. So let us see which theme we are on. Go to the themes. So you can see that we are on the Express theme. Whatever the theme you are on, its name is written here. Right now we are on the Express theme. Cool. So let us go to the tutorial. Search for Express theme. We are on the Express theme. Go to this tab. So we have gone to admin dashboard. We are Express theme. Now let us go to the actions and edit code. Here actions, edit code. Next step. Find customer slash account dot liquid. Let us copy it, search it here, and you can see the file here. Click on it, and the code will be open. Do not worry, you don't need to understand anything. Everything is written in the guide. Just follow the steps as usual. No need to panic here. You will see a few lines of code as shown here. Nothing to worry about. Go to line number 61. Paste the following code snippet. Copy, select it, copy it. Go to line number 61. We are going to the line number 61 and paste it. Okay, we have pasted it. Now what? Your file should look like this. Okay. And paginate div account div. Okay. Good. And paginate div. Good. So now what we have to do is we have to hit save. And asset is saved. Okay. Click on save and you are ready to use your custom widget. That's it you have to do. Now go to your go to your dashboard. Before now you have set up the code which would be rendering it, but you have to also enable it from the dashboard also. Right now we are on the widget, the pop-up widget, so it would be not the custom widget would not be shown on the dashboard. Click on the custom widget. So we have followed 3 steps. We have customized our custom widget, we have set code for custom widget, and we have activated custom widget. Now go to the account section of your store, click on refresh, and boom, here is your custom widget as usual. And it's looking pretty sleek. Nobody can tell a difference that you are using an app. It is looking like it's a part of your store. It's a pretty cool thing according to me. So thank you guys.